Currently and historically, as we all know, clinical trials do not represent the actual patients in the disease areas that the drugs are approved for. And that leads to significant issues for clinicians who are prescribing these medications.
And I had a lot of people that looked like me that died and was taking medicine. And so trying to understand, and of course there are people related to me that died, and and they were taking medicine that was supposed to help, but it didn't help them.
This is a big issue, even budgets and all of that. The problem is they're not seeing people as people.
That's right.
They're seeing it as a bottom line and a numbers game, and we need to meet these deadlines. And that is the biggest issue. You have to take it as if this was my mother and, you know, she may need this drug. So until we start seeing people, it will be this way.
Not to go to Dana-Farber again, not to go to Mass General Hospital again, can we go out to Worcester? Can we at least get in the middle of the state so that we can actually reach out to a bigger population and reach out to those other more rural populations?
So it may not be one line item of a cost, one size fits all across all regions, all sites, all disease areas. It could be that it's going to take some time to understand each community what they need. And that takes actually collecting that data. So when you're running a study, like even starting now, the patients that you approach that say, no, I don't want to participate, collect the data on why they don't want to participate.
Right. Exactly.
It's not that hard.
Right.
Always great to get clinical operations professionals together. I think the topic of diversity, I was just talking to the other photographer, and she's saying, oh my God, I finally came to someplace and I could listen because it goes beyond clinical. But I think as you heard in the session, I really think we need to think the outside of the box, right? People are today, we're talking about the things we do the same every day. And I think there's opportunities for us to be diverse and look at things outside the box that we may not necessarily think about, so we can reach out and be more diverse.
I think hearing the opinions and thoughts from others in the community, but also from the outside speakers who are outside the industry, and the importance and the need for some of the patient diversity and how to go about that has been very insightful and very supportive to continue to push within our companies to engage in these activities.